Hello, welcome back to another video. Today, got something a bit interesting. So I've had a few Steam games, and we'll be looking at some files in some of these Steam games. I'll just pull up this one first. I was going to do it a second. I realized I've gone out of the file for this one. I don't want to minimize the background yet. So something I've noticed in quite a few Steam games over the years is sometimes they have folders like this. The anomaly experiment underscore blah 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 do not ship. I assume it's like debug data, but let's also go into Cursed New Year, which now has the same thing. Back up this folder, but do not ship it with your game. There's probably other ones that have it as well. I know I've seen it in the past. I've seen it also ones that have like default names, things like that. That's all I've got installed at the moment. Cursed New Year as this. If you go inside, it's got managed. So I assume this is files and assets used when the game is compiled. Not supposed to be shipped with the actual game because it contains information that's not necessarily the actual compiled one, as well as stuff that maybe you don't want to ship, whether it's got proprietary code before it's been compiled, things like that in it. It's interesting to see that I've seen this quite a few times. I've just shown you the other example, and now I've got this one as well, where they don't ship it. I assume that they don't know that when they compile the game, that file's actually in with their game data. Otherwise, they'd probably delete it and they wouldn't ship it with it. Yeah, but when you download some of these games, they just have this extra data in them. Have you ever seen this in any games that you've played? Or have there been any other interesting files that you've found? I'll leave this video here. If you like the video, comment down below your thoughts and ideas. If you should subscribe, so you can see videos like this in the future.